Here we have a rate problem, and before we jump into it, let's just do a little review on rates. What's a rate? A rate is a ratio of units to time, units over time. The rate you see the most often in school is what? Speed. Speed, of course, is what? Distance. Distance, I'll just write D-I-S-T over time, maybe miles per hour, maybe, who knows, miles per minute, feet per minute, whatever it may be. But in this particular question, the rate, it's actually not distance over time, it's gallons. Gallons per minute. Gallons per minute. We're pumping water out of a mine, and we want to find out how many gallons per minute. So up here, try my best to draw a mine. I'm not sure exactly what the mine would look like. And we're given a formula for rate. Rate equals D squared, where D is the depth in feet. Depth in feet right here from the top down to the bottom of the mine, over 25 plus 4 times D minus 250. So let's write that down here. Rate, here again, D squared over 25 plus 4 times D minus 250. To find the rate, how many gallons per minute, we're just going to plug in the value of D. And we are told that D is 150, so we're going to substitute that. So the rate is 150 squared plus 4 times 150 minus 250. That's in gallons. Now let's pause for just a second. You can use a calculator on the ACT. And there are restrictions on what kind of calculator you can use. If you look at the lower left-hand side of this screen, and just tap the Show More link, you'll see some Amazon links, calculators that aren't that expensive. There's no reason in the world why you should spend a lot of money on a calculator for the ACT. You can use a calculator, but you don't have to. And let's talk about the quickest way to solve this, to simplify what we've written here without using a calculator. First, let's write the 150 squared as 150 times 150 times 150 over 25. Oh, and I forgot to put the 25 up here to begin with. Whoops. So 150 squared over 25 plus, as we said, 4 times 150 minus 250. So that's the same as 150 times 150 over 25 plus 4 times 150 minus 250. Quickest way to do this, 150 is divisible by 25. 25 goes into 100 4 times. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 25 goes into 156 times. 6 times. 6 times 150 is 900 plus 4 times 150. Well, 150 times 2 is 300. Times 2 again is 600. So 4 times 150 would be 600 minus 250. So we have what? 1,500 minus 250 equals 1,250. That is our answer. If you can't see that, I'm going to write it over here on the left, a little bit bigger, 1,250 gallons. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, put those in the comments box. If you found the video helpful, hope you'll click the like button, share it with your friends who are taking the ACT, subscribe to the channel, and when you subscribe, be sure to hit that bell next to the subscribe button. That way you can get alerts anytime we post a new video. See you in the next lesson.